Welcome to ATPL Aviation. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to start your first study session from login all the way to your results. First, head to atplaviation.com and click Login in the top right corner. If you're new here, click Register to create your free account. Enter your email and password, then press Sign In. Or, save time and continue with your Google account in one click. This is your dashboard, your accuracy, streak, and weak areas at a glance. In the left sidebar, click Study Mode to begin. From the Study Mode home, click Start New Study Session. Any sessions you've saved earlier appear just below, ready to resume. Now choose your question bank. Pick the one that matches your license and authority. Here, we're selecting the PCAA 2020 bank with over 10,000 questions. Next, select a subject. Every subject shows its question count. We'll go with air law. Fine-tune your session by picking topics and subtopics. Everything's selected by default. Just untick what you want to skip, then click Next, Filters. Filters let you focus on exactly what matters. Unseen questions, ones you got wrong, flagged questions, or a specific range. When you're ready, hit Start Studying. And this is your study page. Answer a question to instantly see the correct answer, a full explanation, and community comments. The navigator on the right tracks your progress in color. When you're done, open the drop-down next to Finish Study. You've got two options, Save and Exit or Finish Study. Save and Exit keeps your session under In Progress. Just click Resume anytime and carry on exactly where you left off. Finish Study shows your final score, a radar chart of your weak areas, and full session details, plus a suggested focus for your next session. Now it's your turn. Log in, pick a subject, and start your first study session today at atplaviation.com.